And honestly, I don't think it matters what you use, because I use dish soap. So, you know. Well, hi. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by BGMGirl Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. This is my first time working with this brand and I must say I am impressed. Do you see the material? So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from BGMGirl. That is Black Girl Magic, I'm pretty sure. All the specs for my unit as well as all the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in my description box. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. I did wash my wig with some dish soap and then I went in with some conditioner. Nothing crazy. And then I used my blow dry brush to blow dry it. And this is how it looks after I blow dried it. You can see the difference from out the pack. So this is what that looks like side by side. It looks a lot healthier once you wash it and blow dry it, right? Y'all know I'll be slacking on that when it comes to washing the wig out the pack. I'm trying to be better. And then I use my TYMO Hot Comb to straighten the wig. It looks a lot better. It's definitely giving Kinky straight blowout. They also offer the Yaki Silk Press. Y'all know I'm a fan of the Yak. It also comes in 10 to 32 inches as well as 180 or 250% density. I got the 180 for the Kinky. Okay, when it comes to Kinky straight, that hair will swell. So if you don't like a lot of hair, stick with the 180. My wig does come with the HD lace. However, it also comes with the HD scalp lace. They sent me an example of the HD lace compared to like a transparent lace. So this is HD, this is transparent. Transparent lace has more of like a brown tint to it. You can already tell based on how I'm holding this HD lace on my skin that it's gonna melt really well compared to the transparent. The HD lace has tiny bleach knots. The HD scalp lace that they offer has no knots. Like you shouldn't be able to see the knots on the wig at all. Let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. First, I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze, and I'm going to tint my lace. I like to use pressed powder to tint my lace, but you can use whatever works for you. Now, when it comes to tiny knots and bleaching, your frontal will be a lot more degraded. This wig does come pre-plucked, so hopefully I won't need to pluck anything. I don't think I will. Tighten my cap down. The wig does come with the adjustable elastic band already attached. It also has the piano keys on the wig, so if you need to move or adjust your band, you can do that. Let me just tighten mine down a little bit more. I am going to take out the combs on the side because it does come with the removable combs on the side and in the back. It also has the C-shaped ear tabs on the side. I'm pretty sure this is a Wear Go M cap, so that's always good for me. Will it fit? There we go. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. What's going on? Oh, it wasn't all the way down. Snug. Okay. This is what the wig is looking like. All right, 9x6 frontal. That looks pretty good. Where's my clip? Oh, I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse, place that around my hairline to mold it down. The mousse is a mold, not a hold. I want the hairline to be a little bit more wispy, not really swooped. I can already tell if I pull these, they'll just come right out. So be very careful. They did send me a band. Okay, BGMGirl. Brush it out really quick. Do I need to trim my ends? I mean, I do want to put a little bit of layers in the front. Let me scooch back a little bit so y'all can see. Let me take some right here in the back. Bring this down, twist that, cut it across. There we go. So right now I'm just using my curler brush and I'm just adding some blowout like curls to my wig. Ooh, that's hot, it's hot. Surprised this thing ain't come with no glove. I'm tearing my daggone fingers up. I am getting some shedding with this. Pretty sure it's because I'm pulling at the hair a little bit. That one gotta come out. Wrap it and then turn it. I'm kind of turning it and pulling it down as I go. Don't wrap it all the way around the, let's do this one going back. Kind of let the ends kind of free fly so that you get the, so that it doesn't get hung up in the actual curl. Pick that up with my foot because I don't feel like leaning over. Put it under. Wrap it once, and then you start to turn it. If it gets stuck, just unravel it a little bit and then brush it again. Turn it as you're pulling down the hair. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay, not bad. Just cut these. I don't need them that long. I just want it to be kind of wispy in my front. See right there, that's the lace. Let me make sure it's down. There we go. You can see that track in there, right there, but the hair is gonna be down, so I'm not too worried about that. Open this up just a little bit. Should I put any contour over there? Maybe a little bit. So I'm gonna try my powder contour. It's a little too dark. Let me try the lighter color. I don't want it to appear orange. Let me make sure my part not crooked. I can add a little powder to the parting space right in here like this. Use my blow dryer and flatten it out, some on top. Hold up, somebody's at my door, hold up. Oh, look at my friend sent me. Look how pretty, y'all. Thank you, Shayna. Y'all need some friends like mine. Listen, this is your sign to wash your wigs. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're in a rush, you gotta do a little hair perfume, go ahead and do that. But as soon as you get home, I mean, as soon as you step over that threshold, snatch that wig off and put it in the sink, okay? Wash her immediately. I mean, this looks amazing. And honestly, I don't think it matters what you use, because I use dish soap. So, you know, just make sure you condition it because the hair will be stripped once you do that. So with the coupon code and my specs, this wig is $146.63, $146.63. Under $150, Black Girl Magic is right. And now that I have styled her, I can definitely do a throw on and go with this bad boy. Okay, I won't need to press her again. I can just use my little roller brush if I need to. Let me turn it off or I burn my fingers up. I don't think I mentioned it, but I did get some shedding during the wash of my wig, and I also got shedding during the styling. They do give you this little rake comb thing to comb out the hair. I'm assuming they already know it's gonna pull your hair out, so I don't know if this is just for wigs or people are actually using this on their natural hair, but that seems not good. But for my wigs, I don't mind it. Just be real careful around the top. I gotta make sure this frontal lasts. That's why I don't sleep in my wigs. If you want your wigs to last, less plucking, less product. Don't use a bunch of spray or glue. Wear it glueless and take them off at night. Switch them out every couple days, okay? Make sure you have a good rotation going with your wigs. And also, pack them back up. If you leave them by the socks, on the sink, on the floor, you're trashing your wig, okay? You don't care. You clearly got money to waste. I don't. Take care of your wigs and I promise they will take care of you. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BGMGirl Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.